Hey kiddos, here it is. Tuesday afternoon, I am recording your videos of what you're going to do for the next 2 days. And it's different classes, so for government kids, there's some of you on Wednesday, some of you on Thursday, and then sociology, it'll just be you guys on Thursday. All right, okay, so I'm going to start with sociology. Sociology, ladies and gentlemen, let me pull it over here. You're going to find your assignment here under class notebook, down under homework. Can you really change your class mobility? Or can you really change your class or social mobility? Let me make this a little bit bigger. All right. So you're going to read the document, ladies and gentlemen, and then you're going to answer here. Type away, in here, and here. Just type away. All right. And that's what you're going to do for my class. All right. If you get done with that, I noticed that there's a lot of stuff in here for you guys to do that you have not maybe done. And if you go to handouts, there's a couple of activities. Definitely, where is this handouts, class notes? There's a looking glass activity. There's a baby's activity. And then your homework. There's definitely some activities there. So if you get done with the social mobility thing, go ahead and take a poke around and see what you haven't turned in and work on that. So that's what I want you to do for sociology. It's one class period. I think the reading and the response will take up most of your time. Okay, now government kiddos. Let's go to, I'm just going to go to second period. See that? Go to second period. All right. Go to class notebook. Now, if we have not watched videos about presidential candidates in class, we will do that when I get back. Everyone get your presidential candidate done. Done, 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 done. Should be done tonight. I want to watch them myself. All right, but those of you who are in my government class, you're going to go to class notebook. Then you're going to go to, it's taking me to the page immediately, so I want to make sure I go back so I can step through it with you. All right, you're going to homework. Anyone, let me just choose a person. Go to homework. All right, scroll through homework. Down here, there is who reps you, and it has 11/16 as the date. All right, there's a bunch of things for me to show you here. So part one is to complete the Who Reps You worksheet. You can come over here, click on this, open this up, and have it in a Word doc if you'd like. But you don't have to. You can just scroll down here and go through the questions, fill in the answers. Okay, that's part one. Part two is writing the letter. Write a letter to your Congress people. That means 2 senators, 1 representative. You can write the same exact letter, ladies and gentlemen. It can all be the same letter. You're just going to change the address for each person. Now, if you want to print it and sign it and send it, that's fantastic. You're just going to save the Word doc. You can email it to me, or you can print it yourself, or you can use email. I'm going to tell you that if you actually physically print it and then sign it with your hand, I think you're much more likely to get a response from the representative. I'm giving extra credit for every response. I have, seriously, I ran into them yesterday, a big pile of responses from, oh, maybe there's one there, representatives. I think it's kind of cool that you get something that says, you know, something like that. And it is a typed response from one of their staffers, but this one's from Martha McSally. She signed it for me. Signed it. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's a stamp, but, you know, it's a letter from your representative, what they think, what they say. but I'm giving extra credit for those. So I think if you print it, write the envelope, and send it, we're much more likely. And in all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, you can send it to me. I will print it. I will have you sign it. I will get you an envelope. You will fill out the envelope. And then I can mail it for you. Definitely, I can do that. So, part 1 is finding out everyone who represents you that's on this. Your city council member, your county, your state legislature. There's 3 representatives there. Okay. And then you do your letter. Now, little bonus kicker here. It says create 3 letters and 2 emails. So you're going to choose 2 local organizations and email them. Okay. Now, this second document on here is a generic letter, and it says this is how you should format it. It's showing you how to format. I will help you fix that up when I come back if you need help. But anyway, those are the 2 things you're doing. This definitely should take all your time. You don't have time for watching videos, and I'm sure there's plenty of homework to complete. All right, I just want to show you here, like, you created a bill. Remember, everyone created bills. So I think that's like the number 1 place to start, because you are an expert on that information. Definitely think about that. All right. But if you don't think you want to write to your senators or anybody about the legislation you created, here are some example issues. Public transportation would be a local issue. So if you're writing locally, okay, there's all that. There's a list of state type things, and then there's a list of national topics. Remember when we went through creating those bills and the things that were in bills? Think of, do we want the whole country to have it, or is it just related to our issues here locally? That's how you decide. I prefer that you write your senators and your House of Reps members, and if you physically write it, you'll get a lot of responses. But I think the who reps you, the first part, will take most of your day. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to chat me up. I don't know how responsive I'll be. I don't know how bad I'll feel after they cut me open and poke me out. But be good for Miss Long. She's fabulous. And I will see you guys. If I will see you Friday, hopefully I'll see you guys on Friday, and then Monday I'll see all of you. All right, guys. Bye.